There is a specific kind of madness in the tech world. It's the madness of wanting everything, all at once, in a device that fits in your back pocket. For years, the iPad mini was the neglected middle child of the Apple family. It was a cute tablet. The one you gave to your kids or used to read a book on a flight. But something shifted in Cupertino. In 2026, Apple didn't just update a small tablet. They created a portable monster. This is the iPad mini 8. And it is about to make your smartphone feel like a toy and your laptop feel like a burden. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've been waiting for the ultimate one-device solution, the machine that bridges the gap between your iPhone and your MacBook, your wait is officially over. We are talking about a 144Hz ProMotion display that finally kills the jelly scrolling curse forever. We're talking about the M4 chip shoved into a chassis thinner than a pencil. And most importantly, we're talking about the birth of a new category, the AI-first ultra-portable. Today, we are tearing this device apart. We're going to look at why this is the most controversial iPad ever made, why the US market is currently obsessed with a specific form factor, and why you might never need to buy a Kindle or a small laptop ever again. The screen that changed everything, OLED and ProMotion. Let's start with the one thing that has haunted iPad mini fans for generations, the display. For years, we begged for ProMotion. We begged for that buttery smooth 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rate. Apple finally listened, but they went even further. The iPad mini 8 features a tandem OLED display. This is the same cutting-edge tech found in the high-end iPad Pro. By layering two OLED panels, Apple has achieved a peak brightness of 1,600 nits. Imagine sitting in the bright midday sun at a park in California. Usually, your screen is a dark, reflective mess. Not with the Mini 8. It cuts through the glare like a surgical laser. But the real magic is the motion. Jelly scrolling, that weird lag where one side of the screen moves faster than the other, is dead. It's gone. Buried. When you scroll through a long PDF or an endless Twitter feed, the text stays as sharp as if it were printed on paper. This is the most pixel-dense display Apple has ever put in a mobile device. Because the screen is smaller but the resolution is high, the PPI, pixels per inch, is off the charts. It is quite literally the sharpest canvas in the world. The M4 silicon, too much power? Inside this tiny silver slab beats the heart of a beast. The M4 chip. Now, critics will tell you that an M4 in a small tablet is overkill. They'll say you don't need 10 CPU cores and a 10-core GPU to check your email. They are wrong. They are thinking about the past. The M4 isn't just about speed, it's about the headroom. When you open a 4K video project in LumaFusion on a device this small, you expect a stutter. It doesn't happen. When you switch between 20 different apps, you expect a reload. It stays instant. But the M4's real purpose is AI. Apple Intelligence has evolved. The iPad mini 8 is designed to be your personal AI companion. It's processing voice commands, summarizing 50-page documents, and generating images locally on the device without ever sending your data to a server. This requires massive computational thump. The M4 provides